Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change text from horizontal to vertical in Photoshop. Okay, now see this thing, type horizontal text and press enter. Right click on your mouse, vertical type tool, text. Okay, and change horizontal. Hold Control T. Right click on your mouse, flip horizontal, flip vertical, and another way to hold Control T, right click on your mouse, click 90-degree rotate. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.